Hello, what is on up today? I am Matt, and today we are at Starved Rock. It's honestly a super nice winter day. It's like 20 or so degrees out. The snow is on the ground. Can't ask for better conditions. But yeah, we're going to be exploring the trails, checking out the ice waterfalls. Overall, it should be fun. Hopefully y'all enjoy the video. Oh yeah. So the first thing we are going to be doing is we're going to be heading towards like the St. Louis Canyon area, which is on over that way, up those stairs. The last time I was here, I kind of went on the part that was more by the river. So we're going to be exploring out this area this time. And this is where the cool ice waterfalls are, if I remember correctly. Now you're just headed on up the stairs. Love the stairs. Love. Nah. No. Yeah. Now we are just up by like the little hotel slash like restaurant section. Honestly, that's one of the really cool things about Starved Rock is you could stay on top of the rock. Who doesn't like that? But I've never been here, but maybe one day. Maybe one day. But onward we go. And not only are we going to the St. Louis Canyon, we're going to all these other ones too. All these other ones. I'm not sure if y'all can read it, but hey, we're going there. So now we are at the part where we start descending on into the canyons on over there. But now we are on Aurora Canyon. Shout out Olivia. If you know, you know. So now we are at another one of the canyons. This is Sac Canyon, which is over down there. Hello, Sac Canyon. Nothing special, but hey, it's a canyon. It's a canyon. Now I am just chilling here, taking a water break, kind of taking the view, which I will show you all in a minute. But yeah, honestly, this was the perfect day to do this because if it was a little bit colder, this would not be as enjoyable. But now, time to get some refreshment, chill for a little bit, and then onward we go again. And then this was the view I was talking about. Look at the view. The view looks so glorious. We are just back on the trail. I am done chilling, and I think the next canyon we are hitting is St. Louis Canyon. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before, but we will see. Now we have made it on over to the stairs, kind of to start descending towards St. Louis Canyon. Hopefully there is a cool ice waterfall. Hopefully, because that would be sick. But hey, we will see. kind of at the cutoff point. This goes to another canyon, which we'll come back and do that in a minute. But first, we're gonna go to St. Louis Canyon over this way. We have made it on over to the ice waterfall. I mean, absolutely amazing. This is probably the best I've ever seen it. I mean, it just looks so cool. Honestly, worth it. But yeah, we're gonna chill here for a couple minutes and then go head over to the other one where we were at like that intersection. But I am just blown away. All right, so a little bit of a change of plans here. So the part earlier where I was like, oh, I saw like a break up in the trail and I thought there was other canyons. I took a look on all trails. It just looks like that leads to the parking lot. So I'm probably gonna call the video quits here. I could go to the other side of Star Rock, but you know what? Honestly, I'm hungry. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoy the video. I know I did. I mean, the ice waterfall was amazing. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace.